Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to scroll down to find the display. Now let's tap on advanced and enter the sleep option. And as you can see here, we've got some more options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, which is quite short time, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Currently we've got 1 minute option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. What's more, we can set never, which means that your device will never black out automatically. We'll have to do it manually. So all you have to do in order to change the sleep option is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So I will pick 10 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.